YouTube. On today's vlog, we are going to put a clutch and new gaskets on. We've been waiting nearly 2 weeks for these parts, and they are finally here. So, welcome to the show, my buddies. I better ring my mate Ash. In fact, he's ringing now. Get on, Ash! You're live! Vlogging! Yeah, you?
Yeah. What I was going to say was, I'm here, but I've opened the shed. I've got to win the boy back. When's... Do you want to do that now?
That's right, mate. I'm on my way there now. I'm just like almost at Red Post.
Alright, the shed's all open. I'll wait here, but I'll whip him back and I can get it done quicker then once you get here.
Alright, buddy. I'll see you in a bit.
Oh, mate, sorry, mate.
No, that's alright. No worries, buddy. See you in a piece.
That's it.
Alright. What?
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
Alright, mate.
What's that? Alright, mate. I'll see you in a minute.
Cheers and gone. Bye-bye.
Bye.
There he is. The local legend himself from Devon. So yeah, we're just gonna head there now. Clutch, gasket, gearbox, all that tread. Yeah. Need to find the carpet for my boot. I got tools sliding around in there. Wow. So, progress so far? Oh well, here's Ash anyway, you haven't seen Ash today. The new clutch is on, you see me putting that on. What else? New turbo's in, I'm just doing up all the bolts around there. And the oil drain pipe, which, can you see it? Yeah, that shiny bit just there. I've taken out the old one, the old engine, because the other one was bent. And we've also got our thrust bearing all lined up in there, look. So, yeah. Beautiful. Any Ash?
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Booted. Gorgeous.
So Ash thinks he's Dora the Explorer. He's like following his map now, aren't you, mate?
Well, kinda.
Yeah.
Other than putting it in the wrong hole.
Yeah.
I've been there before.
Story of life, right there. How's it all going?
Shit.
Get on. Let's get you in there.
Don't make no illusion that this is the first thing I've done all day, so. We've got the filleting gauntlet back on.
We're just getting caught. No tight ones. Have you done any tight ones?
Nah.
Sure.
Yeah. I remember that from the head gasket.
Yeah.
I've done one of them before, you've got to do them up evenly.
Yeah. What's your hat say?
Forrest Gump.
As long as you're using the right bolt for the right hole there.
Yeah. Because they're the same, the last two.
Yeah. And the small one was on the other side, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think that was in the back somewhere.
I don't know where the other hole is though. There must be another hole.
Yeah, we'll have to lift it up for that.
Ah. You got it, lads.
So yeah, what have you managed to do today then, Ash? This is like the first spanner you've picked up today pretty much, isn't it?
Yeah, I've done a lot of talking.
A lot of talking. You managed to spill some oil.
Spill some oil.
Down on the floor here, so we're cleaning that mess up as we speak. We're using ash, aren't we, Ash?
Yeah.
Ash is ash.
Ash, yeah.
Clean up the splash. In a flash.
Gash. Right.
Just follow the map. We are so far anyway. We're just doing the last few bits. Then we're going to get the engine plumb back in. We'll get the engine mounts on. And just see how we feel after that, to be honest. But yeah, it's all going lovely, to be honest. Can't complain.
Booyah!
Right, catch you in a bit. Right. Ready to put this engine in now, aren't we, Ash?
Yeah.
So, yeah, this is the hardest part. I don't like this bit. I usually get pretty angry for this, so there could be some bleeps, or you might just hear me swear.
Or it could just go in there lovely.
Got me crazy. You bring out the devil in me. I sold my soul to be with you, baby. My mama told me you would break my heart. You better run, boy. You better go far. And my daddy told me you're the girl that I need. But all you do is bring me down to my knees. I'm a good man, but you make me bad, you make me bad. Oh baby, I'm a good man, but you make me bad, you make me bad, you make me bad. You bring out the devil in me. Yeah, your loving got me crazy. You bring out the devil in me. I sold my soul to be with you, baby. Bring out the devil in me. Girl, your loving has got me crazy. You bring out the devil in me. I sold my soul to be with you, baby, baby. In the rain, to love you I would have to be insane. But there's nothing that I wouldn't do. I'm an angel, but I'm a devil with you. I'm a good man, but you make me...
Basically the engine's in now, so it's just going to be a case of wires and all the plumbing side of it really, connecting all the bits up. We've got to connect the loom back up to the ECU and stuff, feed that through, all the power steering wires and pipes and all that stuff, and yeah, so roll the music!
Bring out the devil in me. Yeah, your loving has got me crazy. You bring out the devil in me.
Okay, so that's it for this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.